Hello friends, my name is Sumit and you're watching CTX Cloud Tech videos. So this is the video number 5 in our WEM training series. So today we are going to restore some default setting which is recommended by the Citrix. So this is brand new WEM server and this is the first configuration I am doing on my WEM server. So in my previous video I have already installed the WEM agent on my master image and I have updated that master image to the old servers. So the first recommendation is to restore the default settings. So for that you have to click here restore, click on settings, click on next, click on next, and here I have to click on browse. Go to your C drive. I have put all the recommended settings in my C drive, so click here. Go to the configuration template and here is the default recommended settings, so click here, click on OK. Select all these setting, system optimization setting, agent configuration settings and system monitoring. Click on next, click on restore, click on yes. So now it's restoring the default settings from the settings which is given by the Citrix, and it's restoring on my WEM server. So it will take like 1 or 2 minutes, so just stay connected with me. So now the restoration has been completed. Click on finish and you guys can see that on the right side a green check that all the recommended settings has been restored on this WEM server. So if you guys will go on the system optimization, so you guys can see that from here I can optimize my CPU and even my RAM. So all these settings we are going to see in our next videos. The another is how to add your servers into the this WEM server. So if you guys will go into the machines, so there is two option. Either you guys can add the individual servers here. So if you guys will go on add object, so you guys need to give the server name here. So let me check what is my server name is. Just go. So this is CTX prod server jelf01. So I'm copying this server name and adding here. So click on check names, click on OK. So you guys can see that my server has been added here. The another way is you guys can add the complete OU. If you have the multiple servers, so you guys will not go like adding individual servers, so you guys can add the complete OU. So click on add OU. So it will give the option here to go in your active directory. So I have gone my active directory. Here is the Citrix OU, and inside OU I have the Citrix server VDA MCS. So I have 3 servers here. Click on OK, and now my all 3 servers has been added here. So in our next video we are going to see some more aspects about the WEM. So this is the like short video how you guys can restore your default settings which is provided by the Citrix, and if you have a new WEM server, so how you guys can restore these settings. So just stay connected with the CTX Cloud and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.